everyone, welcome back to the 12 tags of Christmas. I was looking at these and I was thinking that there was something that I could probably do with these. If you guys remember, I used a little bit of this on the tags from the previous post. So I was kind of thinking, and then I got out my gift card to see if these were wide enough, and I really didn't think that they were, but they are. So I'm kind of thinking that I can make a cute tag with these if I score them this way and that way. So let's see, I don't know how long this is. I'm kind of doing this on the fly, but I thought that this might be a good way. So let's see, 2 3/4 inches, and this is an old gift card that I used to cut washi. And 2 1/2 inches. Why didn't that score? That's weird. Oh, because I had the gift card in there. Dang that. And you can hide this in here. And I can punch a hole in here. Get out my hole punching in. That's the little one. I might get out the big one. Oh, well, this is a line one, but you can use the big one too. I'm not getting them centered recently for whatever reason. Some things tumbling down there. And then if I used, oh, I don't want that, do I? But maybe I can use a decorative border punch. I don't know why I always go for the Martha Stewart ones. It's because they're pretty, but I really don't like using them. I'm just not very good at the punches for whatever reason. I mean, I guess I get the job done, so. Okay, so then how can we leave that so it stays closed? It's really not big enough to put tape on the sides unless I actually like put Scotch tape on the sides or washi on the sides, to hold it closed, and then you can pull out your gift card and the tag itself could be the actual present, or it could be, you could hang it on the tree or whatever. Let me find some washi. I think I'll just use some glitter washi. Let's see, here's some red. Oh, I don't like the kind with the paper on the back. Could use gold. Oh yeah, I love this gold striped. All right, sorry, I'm not like talking, I'm thinking. Crafting in real life is what we do here on this channel, huh? So, a little piece of washi didn't want to come off. And it will stay closed if you have the little thing here. I mean, you can obviously open it. I think it'll stay closed. Now that I'm thinking about that, maybe it won't. Maybe I'll need an extra piece of washi just to hold it closed. And you know what you can do? You can just do that if you wanted to. So let's see what it looks like. Let's put some of this on here. Oh my goodness, this little piece of washi tape just keeps hanging on to me. Put it in my trash bin if I can get it off of my finger. Seriously. Oh my word. I think it finally came off. Okay. Do. Okay, you could totally hang this on the tree or whatever. And I don't even think the washi is a bad idea in the front. Let's see what it looks like without it. Yeah, it kind of comes open just a little bit, but if you're okay with that too, I mean, it's not half bad. And then you can open it up and see your gift card and pull that right out. So that worked out perfectly. So that's just another idea. And if you wanted to put a to or from to it, we could take a piece of just white paper. Let's do it on this side. And whichever direction you wanted to put it on. I actually have a gift card I need to give to someone, so let me just, it's not that one. And I'm going to put this on the present. Oh my goodness. This pen drives me bananas. So there we go. There's another tag. And it's made out of the scraps from the day prior. So this is awesome. I'm really kind of digging this. So I have a piece of pattern cardstock that is cut at 2 1/4 inches, let's say. And it is approximately 9 1/4 inches long. And I am just scoring it at 2, let's see, this one was 2 3/4, and this one was 2 1/2-ish. So we'll score it at 2 1/2 for the top piece, and then turn it around and score it at 2 3/4 on the bottom piece. And did I tell you how wide it was? I don't know if I did that. 2 1/4 inches wide. And then this one is patterned, so you'll have to be a little more careful with it. Looks like it's right side up this way and this way. So you could just be careful with it when you're doing it. Yeah, it's really cute though. Maybe I'd put the, you could have it open like this, and then you could put the white part on that. so that that part wasn't seen. I think that would work out fine. And then you could punch this side. Oh, I don't know why I did it that way. This is really cute. I like this idea, actually. I'm going to go ahead and punch the top up. And on this one, I'm going to use this snowman, or this snow flake. I think I am. My goodness, I don't know why this is so hard to cut. Oh, and I just ruined it. That's okay. I guess I scored it way too heavy. There we go. I'm gonna make it work. Hopefully that's in the same spot. You can save those. Whoops, 2 snowflakes. And make another tag if you wanted to. Okay, they do match up, so that's good. And then let's get that red. Yeah, that didn't cut very well, did it? The glitter washi sometimes doesn't. And then we'll put some on this side. Stuck on me. Heck, it would be cute just like this even, without the top part. Washi tape is just sticking to me today. Crazy. I mean, seriously, you could be just like that. I think I'm going to leave it like that. So just be careful when you're scoring so you don't push too hard, especially with pattern paper. I should have known better. I was just, I don't know, heavy-handed. So there we go. It has a little snowflake in there as the little punch, little snowman here, and then Of course, you wouldn't necessarily want a Halloween gift card in here, but if it was a Starbucks gift card, that'd be perfectly fine. And you could put your little note there. And so there is another quick, easy tag. And I hope that you guys try it, and I hope you enjoy it. And I will talk with you all soon. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.